Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a lovely mini Countryman that we've taken in. So this is a 2017 on a 17 plate. It's the 1.5 petrol and hybrid system. It's the SE, Cooper SE, all-4 automatic. It's done just over 59,000 miles. One owner from new, locally owned by someone that we know, and in lovely condition. So there's some bits and pieces we'll tell you about. This has got some extras on this car, just a quick run through of those. We have got chili pack on here, we've got parking assistant, we've got rear view camera, we've got the 18-inch pin spoke alloys in gloss black, which look fantastic. We have got John Cooper Works sports seats, heated seats, a couple of other bits here I think as well. Let's have a look. Cloth and leather, and comfort access, LED lights with cornering lights as well, and acoustic pedestrian protection. So there's quite a few extras on this car. It's all listed on the website anyway, so do have a look. Anyway, we're going to have a look around, so let's have a look. So car was supplied by Lancaster Mini in Bury St Edmunds to our local customer from brand new, as you can see by the plates there. We have got front parking sensors on here. It's finished in this lovely moonwalk grey metallic, as you can see. That's the LED lights, and as you can see here with the side sensor there, that's for the parking assistant. We'll just have a look at these alloy wheels. They're fabulous in gloss black. We've got a full set of Bridgestone tyres on the car as well. While we're here, actually, just show you in here, this is the charge point. So you open this up, we've got the lead in there, plug it into the socket in the house or outside the house, and bingo, you charge up. Okay, so we'll just show you the charging facility. So as you can see, nice long cable here running through into our office, straight into the 3-pin plug in the wall. As you can see on here, this the charging unit here actually gives you an indication of what's going on. We're pretty much fully charged at the moment, and the little green flashing light there shows you that we are on recharge at the moment as well. As I said, 4-wheel drive with this, so we've got the All4 badge down there. We've got the black gloss black roof and gloss black mirror covers as well, so it looks really good with the black wheels. And then you've got the chrome strip along below the doors here. Quite a big car, these, plenty of space inside. We'll show you inside in a minute. And round to the back here, as you can see, the Cooper S badging on the back there. We've got the nice little chrome surround on the exhaust trim. So let's have a look in the back here. So in here, as you can see, plenty of space. This houses the cable, so all the cable and the charging system is all in there. And then what we've got here, underneath here, you've got a bit of storage space down under here, tyre repair kit in here as well. So plenty of room in there, folding seats obviously, as you'd expect. Rear camera down there also, and then round to this side, all in tip-top condition. I'll show you inside here now. So as you can see, dark grey, nearly black trim, combination of leather. So we've got leather inserts here and cloth seats. We've got a full set of carpet mats in the car also. We also have 2 keys with the car, all the original book pack, etc. Comfort access, so obviously when you've got the keys outside the car, push the button, that locks everything, push the button, opens the car. And with keyless start as well, it means you never actually get the key out of your pocket if you don't want to, so that's all quite useful. Full set of electric windows and mirrors, etc. And as you can see, the sports seats here, so we've got the nice big bolsters on here in the front section of the seat down here. This adjusts in and out for leg length as well, which is nice. Okay, so we've got the lovely leather steering wheel here with the controls for radio, computer, etc., phone, and also cruise control on the other side there. Moving across the middle here, screen, so we've got DAB radio, I think we've got navigation in there as well. Yeah. So navigation, and then moving down, climate control and heated seats, and the controller for the computer down there also. Okay, so we've got different modes that you can drive the car in depending on how you want it to perform. Got a fully green mode and also a mid mode and a sport mode there. 100% on charge currently, as you can see there. So it just shows the lines there show where the car's going to go as you reverse up. Okay, so we'll just show you under the bonnet. So this is the 1.5 petrol engine, 4-cylinder petrol engine in here. You can't actually see the hybrid unit. I don't think there's anything visible under here for the hybrid unit, but linked up to the 7.6 kilowatt hybrid unit. On full electric, on full charge, you will get about, I think it's about 26 miles on full electric. The only charging the car actually does itself is on overrun and on braking in certain modes, so you will get a bit of power going back into the hybrid system, but predominantly the hybrid system is recharged by plugging it in. Okay, so just to run through that again, 2017 on a 67 plate. This is a Mini Countryman 1.5 Cooper SE with the hybrid unit. Just over 59,000 miles, one owner from new, full Mini service history, finished in Moonwalk grey metallic. Beautiful car this. Any more information, please do give me a call. It's Simon Shield. It's 01473 658 091, or alternatively hop on the website for all the still photographs, pictures of everything, all the specifications, all there, and that is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.